Good morning and happy Monday. So today we're going to go over a use case for really showing how AI is reshaping the nature of work and really automating the mundane and the routine. And what better way to do that than by showing it in making PowerPoint slides. So we're going to start the clock here for real time. And we're going to be using Microsoft's Copilot, and in here we're going to create a 5-slide PowerPoint presentation on osteoporosis. Include the risk factors, diagnostics, and treatment options. Ensure it is easy to understand and accurate for non-medical and for patients and medical professionals. And entering that in at 49 seconds. And it's thinking about it. Almost there. I like how it just gives these little cues. Oh, we're still right. We're just, as it's running through the transformer-based architecture, queuing all the things in and linking the different components. And so we have here is a 4-slide. So still having a little bit of possibility of misinterpretation at certain times, but osteoporosis. Nice image. The family history of osteoporosis, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, low body weight, certain medical conditions or medications, age range, diagnostics, and prevention. And noting that started at 49 seconds and that took less than a minute. And this is all accurate information that also then can act as a template, So not just replacing, not just completely removing any original thought, but just getting all this together so that you can then build on top of and really focus on the areas that benefit from the person, from the expertise of the lived experience that then get injected, not unlike a prompt, adjust. AI and really the emergence of all these deep tech applications are tools, and these tools are as valuable as the user allows them to be. And in the same, this is a tool in two different hands, one of a skilled expert and one of a complete novice. You can still end up getting positive result in either way. And how many times does somebody who's completely unfamiliar find it's a new way to look at something? But the important thing again is always to see these things as tools that amplify the inherent knowledge that already exists, not to replace but to empower, so that we automate the mundane and the routine and focus on implementing the ideas that we have in a way that is not overly burdensome and really allows for a continual flow state that really makes anything that we're doing just more enjoyable, more fun. And when we do that, when we build these different systems that then allow for that to occur and make it accessible, then we're going to change really how we identify the right ways of going about how to accomplish things. How many fewer meetings, how many fewer emails need to be done when we can automate those different things and really put the main focus on making the connections that unite us in really achieving more than we could do individually. So if you are interested in seeing more things like this, feel free to reach out, and also please know that I think that we're really in for an exciting times to be able to really accelerate good use that helps a lot of people, particularly in the educational spaces. Until next time.